Karlštejn Castle, a medieval gem located just a short distance from Prague in the Czech Republic, is a captivating testament to history, architecture, and cultural heritage. Perched atop a hill amidst the picturesque Bohemian countryside, Karlštejn Castle beckons visitors to step back in time and immerse themselves in its rich history, stunning architecture, and panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. The castle's main attraction is its exquisite architecture, characterized by Gothic design and intricate detailing. Founded by Emperor Charles IV in the 14th century, Karlštejn Castle was intended to house the Czech crown jewels and important royal relics. The imposing Great Tower, with its impressive fortifications and ornate interiors, stands as a symbol of the castle's significance and grandeur. Guided tours take visitors through the castle's various chambers, including the Chapel of the Holy Cross, adorned with stunning frescoes, and the Royal Palace, which showcases the opulence of medieval Czech royalty. The castle's surroundings offer breathtaking vistas of the Bohemian landscape. The journey to Karlštejn involves a scenic walk or a short train ride from Prague, followed by a pleasant hike up the hill. The sweeping views of rolling hills, verdant forests, and the Baranka River create a tranquil and picturesque setting that enhances the castle experience. Karlštejn Castle's role in Czech history is intertwined with the reign of Emperor Charles IV and the importance of safeguarding royal treasures. The castle's historical significance is well preserved through its architecture, exhibits, and artifacts. Visitors can explore the castle's interior, gaining insights into the medieval way of life and the importance of the Czech lands in European history. For those interested in historical exploration, Karlštejn offers a unique opportunity to delve into the past and experience the medieval atmosphere firsthand. Guided tours provide informative narratives about the castle's history, architecture, and the role it played in the Czech kingdom. The charming town of Karlštejn, nestled below the castle, complements the experience with local eateries, shops, and traditional Czech cuisine. The town provides a glimpse into rural Czech life and offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city of Prague. Karlštejn Castle is a medieval masterpiece that seamlessly blends history, architecture, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring its historic chambers, admiring its panoramic views, learning about its role in Czech history, or simply enjoying the serene countryside, Karlštejn Castle promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Czech heritage, medieval allure, and the timeless charm of a well-preserved medieval treasure.